Davey, Xavier, Avery, wind up P-Sack, in the box Jack, Max, Hannah, Ken, and Brian, and Rita, Lenny, Polly, Betty, Wakeman, Donald, and Joshy are the characters in this movie.
Nope, it's, we are great. Let's go fix the song.
My name is Captain Jimmy, and this is Lenny, Polly, Betty Wakeman, Donald, and Joshy. And we are all pirates! Arr! Ahoy, mateys! We like to sail our boat in the orange seas, just like Davey, Hannah, Uncle Ryan, and Rita, yo-ho-ho. This is the pirate song. Here, Xavier and Avery will love pirates. And so with Jack, Max, and Ken, it's me, Captain Jimmy.